How to fix PayPal not sending verification code. I'm gonna show you 3 different fixes. For the first one, click on the 3 dots of your browser and then go into settings. Now you want to search for cache and you will click on delete browsing data. Here, make sure that cached images and files is checked, and you want to set the time period for all time, and you will just click on delete from this device. After clearing the cache, the second thing that I suggest doing is checking your email's spam folder, because the verification code might be sent to the spam folder. So make sure you check your email spam folder. And also, if you're using phone for verification, a mobile phone number, then make sure you wait 1 to 2 minutes before you resubmit another request for a code, because your messages might come a little later. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.